Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open the hood, pull the release. It's down here underneath. Release the secondary, the safety latch. It's over here. Squeeze it up. It's got hood struts. Underhood fuse panel is on the passenger side. It's underneath this plastic. Go to the back here. You can pop the plastic up and off of the strut tower and lift it up, and then pull the plastic up and off and slide this out so it sits down in this little ball stud here. So we'll take that off, put it over here. We get to our fuse panel. Got some push tabs. You push them in. Start with these two. Loosen this one. Lift the cover right off. And inside it should have a diagram. I'm going to match it up with the shape of the fuse panel, and this will tell you what all your fuses and relays are. And to reinstall the cover, just push this back down over it. Clips into place. I'll put this plastic back on. Push it down over the ball stud. Clip that in place. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.